Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the top best wireless earbuds for iPhone users. If you're someone who loves good sound, smooth pairing, and long battery life, you're gonna want to stick around. Let's go ahead and jump right in. To grab your earbuds, just head to the video description below, tap the link, and it'll take you straight to the Amazon online store. From there, hit buy now, and you're good to go. First up, we've got the AirPods Pro 2. Wow, these are easily Apple's best all-around earbuds. You get top-tier noise cancellation, crystal clear sound, and cool extras like spatial audio, Find My support, and volume controls right on the stem. The H2 chip makes everything feel seamless with your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. You'll get around 6 hours of playtime per charge, and the case gives you up to 30 hours. If you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, this is the one you're probably gonna love. Let's check out the ratings for the AirPods Pro 2. These have over 32,000 reviews, and 83% of them are 5 stars. That's a strong sign people love them. You can also see what customers are saying based on specific features like sound quality, performance, value for money, build quality, fit, hearing support, comfort, and battery life. For example, when it comes to sound quality, over 2,000 users gave positive feedback. And for battery life, more than 400 customers mentioned they were happy with how long they last. So yeah, these earbuds are definitely delivering on what people care about most. Next up is the Beats Fit Pro. These are built for people who move. If you're working out, running, or just want to make sure your earbuds don't fall out, this is the way to go. They've got flexible ear tips that stay locked in, plus solid noise cancellation and spatial audio. The H1 chip gives you smooth iPhone pairing, and the battery lasts around 6 hours. They're super secure, super reliable, and would definitely handle your active days. There are over 1,500 ratings, and 62% of customers gave it a 5-star review, showing that most users are pretty happy with their experience. To buy this, just click the link in the description below. It'll take you straight to the Amazon online store. Then hit the Buy Now button and follow the steps until your order is confirmed. At number 3, we've got the AirPods 4. These are perfect if you want to keep it simple. They have ANC, but the sound is still really good. The open design is comfortable for long use, and they support spatial audio too. Battery life? Also about 6 hours. These are great for everyday stuff like calls, music, and podcasts. If you don't need all the extras but still want that Apple magic, this one's for you. Apple's brand new AirPods 4th generation have racked up over 7,000 reviews, with 78% of them being 5 stars, a clear sign that most users are really satisfied. You can also check out all the customer-uploaded photos on the Amazon store to see how they look in real life. And the best part? You can grab your own pair for just $170. Fourth on the list is the Sony WF-1000XM5. Now look, I know they're not made by Apple, but don't sleep on these. Sony packed in some of the best noise cancellation out there. The sound detail is crazy good, and the design is lightweight and premium. You're gonna get up to 8 hours of battery life, plus you can customize the sound in their app. If you're the type who really cares about sound quality, this one would blow you away. Let's check out the reviews and ratings. This product has 4,600 ratings, and 53% of them are 5 stars, which is pretty solid. Just head to the description below, click the link to order today, and you could have it delivered by tomorrow. In addition, you can also find the best accessories for your iPhone that fit all kinds of needs. Whether it's for AirPods, camera gear, travel, gaming, Apple Watch, car use, and more. You can pick the best of the best for every situation. And finally, the Nothing Ear A. These are for folks who want to save a little, but still get solid features. The see-through design is super unique, and they actually sound way better than you'd expect. You get decent ANC, great touch controls, and the Nothing X app lets you tweak everything. At around $100, it's a killer value if you're not trying to spend big. This Nothing Earbud have over 4,500 reviews, and more than 65% of them are 5-star, which shows most users are really happy with their purchase. All the links are down in the description if you'd like to check them out. Au revoir.